Welcome, standard 12. Welcome back in derivative. We were doing the solved examples on page number 35. In that, there is question number 3. If sine of this p x raised to m minus q raised to m etc. is equal to r, then show that. Then show dy by dx is equal to y upon x. Let me check it. Y upon x. And r is a constant, where r is a constant. This is a very peculiar sum. Always note that if such type of a sum comes, then what to do? Therefore, the first step I am writing p into x raised to m minus q into y raised to m upon p into x raised to m plus q into y raised to m is equal to this sign I will take here. It will be sine inverse of r. Okay. Therefore, this sine inverse r, instead of writing that, we will write p. If you don't write, no problem, but we will write it. P x raised to m minus q y raised to m upon p x raised to m plus q y raised to m is equal to t, where sine inverse r is equal to t that we are substituting. Now this denominator, this is upon, I will take it here. Therefore, p into x raised to m minus q into y raised to m is equal to t into bracket p into x raised to m plus q into y raised to m. I will distribute this. Therefore, p into x raised to m minus q into y raised to m is equal to p t x raised to m plus q t y raised to m this way. Now, these p terms I will bring here, and this q term means the y terms I will take there. So x terms bring here, y terms take there. Therefore, p into x raised to m minus p into t x raised to m is equal to qt y raised to m. Take this here, so plus q into y raised to m. Now here what is common? Here what is common that we will take. Here x minus x raised to m is common. P is also common. So p into x raised to m is common. Remain 1 here minus t. Here y raised to m is common. Again q is also common. Here it remains t plus 1. The 1 minus t is constant. T plus 1 is constant. P is constant. Q is constant. Now this p into this part I will keep there. This y part I will bring here. Therefore, x raised to m, this into will become upon y raised to m is equal to, here remains q into t plus 1, and this part p into 1 minus t. This part is a constant. Let us call this as s. S is equal to q into t plus 1 upon p into 1 minus t. So what is that? X raised to m upon y raised to m is nothing but s, or this. Now I will take this y raised to m there. So x raised to m is equal to s into y raised to m. This is your number 1. we can call this as y. Therefore, now differentiate. Here you will write differentiating with respect to x. This is m into x raised to m minus 1. This is s into m into y raised to m minus 1 into derivative of y is the dy by dx. Therefore, I want dy by dx. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to, this will become upon for this, m into x raised to m minus 1 upon s into m into y raised to m minus 1. This is dy by dx. Okay. So x part is here. That value of x part is either this or this. I will put this value. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to m into x raised to m minus 1 upon s means x raised to m upon y raised to m. X raised to m upon y raised to m. Why we are doing this? Because we don't want this p, p, q, etc. those constants I don't want. So s also I don't want. In dy by dx I want to show that it is y upon x. So instead of s we have substituted this into m into y raised to, or otherwise you would have cancelled this here. Instead of writing this 100 times, it is better. This mm cancelled. So x means x raised to m upon y raised to m, and this y raised to m minus 1. This is divided by, it will go up and it will become like this. Y raised to m into x raised to m minus 1 upon x raised to m into y raised to m minus 1. We know that division means subtraction of the indices. So this part I will take here and this part I will bring here and this will get subtracted. Why? Because I want y in the numerator. So this y I will not shift. This x I will shift. So that is equal to y raised to m. This y I will take up. Division means subtraction of the indices, so minus m minus 1. This y work is done. Now in the denominator it remains m, x raised to m. This x raised to m minus 1 I will bring down. Division means subtraction, so minus m minus 1. Okay. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to this y raised to, this I will open the bracket, y raised to m minus m plus 1 upon x raised to m minus m plus 1. This gets cancelled. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to y raised to 1 upon x raised to 1. That is nothing but y upon x is 2. This is a very important sum. Just remember this. So hope that you have understood this. Now after this video we will go for the exercises. If there are any important solved sums remaining, then we will take those, and if not, then we will go for the exercise.